Hello, I am Devaj Mishra from City Montessori School, Kanpur Road, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Now I have made this car soccer playing robot with ESP8266 Nodemcu. In this, I have used ESP8266 as the name says, the Nodemcu. Then I have 3 cell 3S lithium ion battery 12.1 volt and 2200 mAh. Here, I have a motor driver connected with 4 BO motors of 12 volts. Then I have done some simple wiring, and then I have done the coding in Arduino IDE. Now let me show you how it works and how it moves. Now this here is a remote app. Now see, on my mobile I have this application ESP8266 Wi-Fi robot car. When I'll click it, and in the Wi-Fi I can see here my car is connected. Now as I will press the button, it will move. It moves on my directions. If I do backwards, if I do sideways. So accordingly it moves. The coding is done on Arduino IDE. From the starting you might be hearing Arduino Uno and the code. Now let me show you what the code means. Let's take a closer look to the code. Here, this is Arduino Uno, Arduino IDE 2.3.6, the latest version. From this I have selected the board on the COM7 Nodemcu 1.0 ESP model 12E. Now let's talk on the coding part. I have here defined 4 pins, IN 1, 2, 3 and 4 for the respective motor driver pins. See, IN 1 in the right motor left and the IN 3 for the left. Now I have just included some basic libraries, ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h, ESP, and then Wi-Fi client.h, and then ESP8266 server.h. These are some important libraries. Now for the starting command, we have anti-speed car equals to 800 and speed coefficient as 3. These are just basic variables we have taken if I would have wanted that I want motor speed control, but according to my motor driver there is no speed control, so this is just useless for my side. But the new motor drivers, the L298D motors, they have separate ENA and ENB. Now I have defined here my SSID, means the name of my Wi-Fi. You can customize it as your own. Then ESP8266 web server at 80 MHz void setup. Pin mode in 1, 2, 3 and I have just initialized them as the output pin. Serial monitor at baud rate of 11,5200. Now Wi-Fi mode, Wi-Fi AP. Wi-Fi AP means that it is in access point mode. It can access Wi-Fi. IP address, these are some basic credentials. Then for if we have receiving the signal or not. Now comes the main commanding part. Void go ahead. In this IN1 and IN1 is low, IN2 is high, IN3 is low and IN4 is high. It means that it reverses the order of the motors. It creates a positive and negative terminal and helps the motor work. These are commands for each of the code. Now here we have a void loop in which we take commands as letters like B go back, F go ahead, R go right, L go left, and these for speed control like from 0 to 9. These are basically useless for mine because my motor driver does not have speed control. If your motor driver has, it will really help. Now this is a void HTTP handle root void, this code block for confirming whether we have received the signal or not. You can see it in the serial monitor. Now that was the coding part. Now let us move on to see how the car works. Enjoy the work.